Welcome to day 5, and today it's all about detox. Now, you may not realize how much your liver loves cloves. The combination of hot water and cloves, and even if you add an additional lemon, it activates your natural detox pathways. It supports your liver, calms inflammation, and helps to move toxins out. Now, this is also the day many people notice small skin improvements, a little more radiance, less puffiness, smoother complexion, and clearer skin. That's because when your liver gets support, your skin reflects the blessing. So comment down below, day 5 and glowing. And tomorrow we're going to talk about energy, clarity, and mood. If you're wondering how you can learn more about the Bible diet and how you can learn just all of the different scriptures that talk about food, that would be the Treasures of Healthy Living Bible Study. You could do it by yourself, you could do it as a family, you could do it as a group in your church. We even have videos to go along with it, so you can just get so much rich teaching from Genesis to Revelation. What does the Bible say about healthy living? The other book that is my favorite is The 7 Foods of the Promised Land. I talk a lot about dates, but there are 7 foods that give such an exponential effect to your health, both physically and spiritually. And why did God choose those specific 7 foods? So I hope you check out 7 Foods of the Promised Land, and the recipes in the back, I promise you, will delight your palate.